Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to cook sarson ka saag. It is a cool season vegetable and as the winter chill sets in, it is eaten to help stay warm. First of all, I will discuss its nutritional benefits. It is a nutritional powerhouse and it is loaded with dietary fiber, protein, vitamin K, magnesium, calcium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, iron, and many more nutrients. As there is a high amount of fiber in it, people who consume it are less susceptible to constipation and colon cancer. It is rich in vitamin A and C, and these two are strong antioxidants. It helps to prevent or reduce the quantity of bad cholesterol in the body and it detoxifies the body. There is an abundance of phytochemicals in it, and these polynutrients protect the body from disease and environmental distress. They strengthen the body from within, and it strengthens the immunity, and it prevents seasonal and viral infections such as cold and flu too. It is very useful in weight loss, and it has a lot of benefits for the patients of eyes, hypertension or heart, and it is served with makai ki roti, white butter or desi ghee. So now let's start cooking. The ingredients I am going to use are fresh boiled sarson ka saag, 2 large sized finely chopped onions, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of dry methi, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, and a half teaspoon of black pepper, along with 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped with the half teaspoon of dry coriander and a pinch of celery, 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, a cup of yogurt, and a half cup of fresh cream.